Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we are making a very tasty, spicy, tangy carrot, ginger and green chili pickle. This is the easiest winter pickle, made in just 10 minutes. No cooking, no oil, full of flavor. For making this pickle, I have taken 2 long red carrots. We will take about 1-inch piece of ginger, 5 to 6 green chillies. We will need a teaspoon of mustard seeds, some turmeric powder, Kashmiri chilli powder and lemon juice. You can use either lemon juice or vinegar, whichever is available. Wash and thoroughly dry all the vegetables. Now we will take the carrot, peel it and cut it into slices. Cut it into long slices like this. Next, we will slice the ginger also. First, peel the ginger very well. Now, we will slice the ginger also just like the carrot into long thin slices. Next, we will make thin slices from these green chilies also. This type of chili is not very spicy. Just remove the stalk and slit it and make it into slices like this. See, we have sliced the green chilies also. Take 1 teaspoon mustard seeds in your blender jar and we will make it into a powder. In a large mixing bowl, take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, salt to taste. Add all the chopped vegetables to it, the carrot, green chilies, ginger. Now this is the mustard powder which we have ground. Add that too. Now squeeze the juice of a lemon. We will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So 1 or 2 lemons depending on the quantity of juice you get. If you don't have lemons, you can even use 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now mix everything well together. The carrot, ginger, green chilies should be well mixed with all the spices, salt, lemon juice. Just cover it, keep it aside for 1 hour. You can just leave it on your countertop itself, no problem. After 1 hour, your pickle is ready for use. It is 1 hour now. We can again give it a good mix. Then store it in a clean dry glass jar. Can you see how it has given out the juice already from the vegetables and also the lemon and salt? That's it. Your pickle is ready. This goes amazingly well with roti, dal chawal, curd rice and parathas too. This pickle is best enjoyed after 24 hours when all the juices and masalas have all been blended well together. Enjoy it with your chapati, paratha or just curd rice too. It's really yummy. Enjoy this healthy, crunchy, tasty winter pickle for lunch or dinner today when all the fresh winter vegetables are easily available. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita'sKitchen and we'll meet again in the next episode with another interesting recipe. Thank you.